welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are having yet another installment in the 1-minute tutorials. I teach you how to do something in 1 minute or less. I wanted to show you how I overdraw my lips. Now, it's no secret that about 1.5 years ago, I had very large, voluptuous looking lips. I don't know why I had to say it like that, but I did, okay. I had lip filler done about 1.5 years ago. I loved it so much. Oh my god, did I love it. But I no longer have it, unfortunately. It has slowly but surely metabolized away, and I have baby lips again. So since I'm stuck with the baby lips for the time being, I have to resort to overlining them again. So I wanted to share with you guys how exactly I do that. In my opinion, the most important part of overlining is having a good lip pencil. One of my favorite ones to use that I've discovered is the Wet n Wild gel lip liner. I have mine right now in the shade Bear to Comment. This is by far my favorite gel lip liner that I've ever used, ever tried, and my favorite shade. Let us begin. I always begin with my lower lip. Now, I do have a pretty full lower lip, so I don't overline it. But my top lip, that's where I have trouble, and I have no volume left anymore. Whenever I do my upper lip is I always begin at the Cupid's bow. I don't know if you can see right here the vermilion border. This is actually where I'm going to do my overlining from. That's going to be my new lip line per se. Something that you can do to make it look natural is beginning up here, but actually following your natural lip line down. So that's actually going to connect where it naturally should. Let me show you. I also find that it's really helpful to kind of like tighten your lips, to kind of like flatten it down so you have a really taut and tight surface to do the drawing on. And that is it. That is how I overline my lips. So once I'm done overlining my lips, I will follow that up with whether it be like a lip gloss, a lipstick, liquid lipstick, whatever you want to put on there. Now, something of note, my lips are actually very uneven. Whenever I had them filled, I actually had them evened out, but naturally my lips are very uneven. So it takes me just a smidge extra time trying to figure out how I can make them look as even as possible. I do my best. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. Ew. I'm gonna go. See you guys in the next one. Bye.